This is an urgent call for applications for the Islamic Development Bank Scholarship programs for the academic year 2024-2025. And this is only for a very short period. So kindly take advantage of this opportunity and send in your
Hi,
application.
my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and
And
friends.
this particular Islamic Development Bank scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for all students interested in bachelor's, master's, and PhD studies, as well as research program. So if you are searching for scholarship either for your bachelor's, master's, or PhD program, this scholarship got you covered. So do well and listen to the end to get the important details. The first important thing to note is that there are various categories of this scholarship. So the first one is the scholarship program for Muslim communities in non-member countries. So if you want to find out where you belong, all you simply have to do is to click on these more details and the list of the eligible countries to see if your country falls on this list. And the second category is the Islamic Development Bank Master of Science Scholarship Program, MSc. So if you are pursuing your MSc program, you can do well and click on this link to see more details regarding this particular program. And the third category is for Merit Scholarship Program for High Technology, MSP. So this particular program is dedicated to advanced studies or research program. So if you are searching for a PhD studies or research program, you can do well to click on this link to learn more. And the fourth category is the Islamic Development Bank ISFD scholarship program. This particular one is targeted to those that are pursuing their bachelor studies in medicine, engineering, agriculture, and other related fields or technical diploma at a public institute in their home countries or in one of the following ISDB member countries. So you can also click on this link for more details. And these are the list of the eligible countries for those interested in this particular scholarship. If you want to see the list of all other eligible countries, you have to click on their respective links. Right now, I'm going to click on this link. Let's see the details to this scholarship. So this is the Islamic Development Bank ISFD scholarship program for least developed member countries. And this scholarship program is for bachelor's and technical diploma for least developed member countries. And these are the fields of studies covered in this scholarship. So the program for bachelor's degree focuses on medicine, engineering, agriculture, and other related fields such as dentistry, pharmacy, veterinary science, nursing, nutrition study, computer science, forestry, and fishery. So you can go through the following fields of study to see if you're interested in any of these programs. And when you scroll down, you can see the place of study, and this is the eligibility requirement. So you can do well to read through the eligibility requirement to see if you meet the requirements. Importantly, these are the benefits and facilities that this program covers. So it's going to be covering your tuition fees, which will be payable to the university directly. You're going to be receiving a monthly stipend commensurate with the cost of living in the country of your study. You're going to be receiving books and clothing allowance equivalent of 3 months monthly stipends once a year. And you would also receive cost of medical treatment either at the university or local state hospital. And for students who are selected to study abroad, the Islamic Development Bank would also provide return economy class tickets to and from the countries of study once at the beginning and at the end of your studies, as well as an installation allowance. This is all what the program covers, and this is what the scholarship does not cover. So you can take your time and read through this. And these are the list of the eligible member countries. So you can take your time and go through this list and see if your country is on this list. So that means you're eligible for this particular scholarship, the ISDB ISFD scholarship program. Otherwise, you can feel free to click on these links to see the other scholarships that are being offered on this website. Please note that interested candidates for these programs must submit their application no later than the April 20th, 2024. So that is why I said earlier that this is an urgent call for application for the academic section 2024-2025. And to send in your application, you simply click on this link here. And right here on their portal, you either log in with your email and password if you have applied to them before. Otherwise, click on register here to register yourself. And please note that Islamic Development Bank does not charge any fees at all at any stage of the application process. So please be aware so that you don't fall victim. And you can send them an email to this email address here in case you need any assistance or for any inquiries. And once you're logged in, you can now see apply for scholarships. And here you can see a total of 1 from 6 applications. So basically, the first thing to note here is that it says for ISFD programs, you can only apply for either a bachelor's or technical diploma. You cannot apply for both. So here you can see the scholarship program for Muslim communities in non-member country. If this is where your country falls in, so please do well and click on it. Or if you are interested in their bachelor's program for least developed countries, you can click on this by simply selecting the button and it will load you directly. Or if you're interested in the postdoctoral research program or the MSc program, as well as the Ph.D. scholarship program, and also the technical diploma program for least developed member countries. First of all, you have to determine in which category your country falls under, and then you can come here and select the appropriate program. Please note that if you select a wrong program, you would not be able to proceed because your country is not eligible. So take your time and go through and know where your country belongs. And then once you click on the selected one, for example, I clicked on Bachelor's Program for Least Developed Member Countries, and here I can see the instructions. And now before proceeding with the application, these are the things that are required from me. Certified copies of the following documents listed here. So this could be different depending on the one you selected. And then once you have this ready, you simply click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, it will load you directly to submit your application. But once you click on it, and it gives you this alert option here. It says based on your nationality, you are not eligible to apply for this program. So that is why I said you should be able to ascertain first where your country lies. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.